Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this lower body Pilates and dance-based workout. As always, we do 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Let's begin with this loop band around our feet to do double knee drive bicycles. So you're going to drive your knee 1, 2, and switch 1, 2. Make sure that when you're on your elbows, you're not slouching. You're keeping your belly button to your spine, nice, long, and tall back. Keep going for 30 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Take a quick 10-second breather. Next, put the band around your upper thighs and roll back onto the top of your seat to do a boat pose. Option here to keep your flat on the floor. Now we're going to turn our upper body to the right, center, and then to the left and center. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Take the band on your wrists next, and this one's more of an upper body one as well. Keeping your feet flat on the floor, on the top of your tailbones, hinge halfway back, lift the arms to be in line with your spine, bring them forward, and then sit forward. Make sure that when you sit forward, you're not arching your back, and make sure when you go back, you're keeping your core engaged and you're also not arching your back here. Keep going, 23 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Next, we have Pilates roll up and roll down. So extend your legs underneath you, lift your arms forward, and exhale, roll all the way down through each and every vertebrae. On the inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, begin to peel off from your upper body, mid back, lower back. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, roll all the way down. Keep going, keeping your legs flat on the floor. If this is too hard for your core, you can plant your feet flat on the floor as well. Keep going. And finishing the last one. Next, we're going to put the loop band back on our ankles and we're going to roll all the way onto our back, lifting our legs perpendicular to the floor so our feet are in line with our hips. We're going to open our legs out, bring them back in, lower our legs all the way down and lift back up. So we open, making a T shape, in and down and up. Always connecting our belly button to our spine. Try to keep your back as flat on the floor as possible. Only lower your legs if you can keep your back flat. If you cannot keep your back flat, do not lower your legs if your back begins to peel off. Keep going. Option here to put your hands underneath your seat. You've got 10 more seconds left. Let's keep going. And finishing the last one, go ahead and put the loop band on your feet. Once again, just like the beginning, we're doing those double bounce bicycles, but this time on our back, lifting our head and our neck. Let's go. Opposite elbow to knee and switch. We do a double bounce and double bounce. Keep going, keeping your back flat on the floor, lifting your head and your neck, using those abs. Keep going. And finish the last one. Beautiful. Go ahead and put the band on your ankles once again, lifting our legs 45 degrees from the floor. On our elbows, we lower one leg down for 20 seconds and back up. And let's switch legs. Beautiful. And next, we're going to keep the band on our ankles, swing our legs behind us into a low plank, and we're going to open one leg to the side, tap our toe, bring it back in our low plank on our elbows, and then do the same thing on the second side for 40 seconds. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Go ahead, shake it out, and then we're going to do a side plank for 20 seconds on one side, then switch to the other side for 20 seconds as well. Let's get started on one side. Switch sides. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Guys, we are done today's workout. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.